Hello, welcome to our video. In this video we will learn about shortcode. We have plugin and we will make or we will generate a shortcode by which we use it in any place or any page template. So let's get started. For making a shortcode, we have to take a PHP block, then we have to make a function like I take a function image shortcode or text shortcode, then I will tell him to generating a shortcode. For this I have to write ob start, and this is started, and I should return it now, otherwise it will affect all the contents. Get clean, ob get clean. Now I have to make this shortcode by add shortcode function. There will be two parameters. One is the shortcode text and another one this function's name. I should keep the content in here, like I want to keep a content. Before this I want to close the PHP tag and then start again the PHP tag. So I would like to keep here a header. This is a form plugin. So if I put this shortcode in anywhere, this will be show here. I would like to some style. Text align center. Okay, then if we put in our contact page, at first we have to save this and shortcode save, and we have to update this. Now we reload our page or view our page, we will see this is a form plugin. So our shortcode is working. Now we can make any shortcode for our any content or any plugin. So thank you for watching this video. Stay safe.